Hey folks, Brian here. Recently I got my brakes fixed on the Accord 2001 that I have. It's a pretty old car and I started hearing this random noise. It wouldn't happen all the time and I thought it would go away with temperature changes, and it did, but then it came back. Eventually I took off the whole wheel and I inspected everything, and I thought there was enough meat on the brake pads. But after I got the brake pads back from the shop and took a look at them, I noticed they were pretty worn. And what was happening was that the inner pads wore down a lot more than the outer pads. You can see they aren't the same width on the inner and the outer, and the wear detector, the metal pin, started scratching against the rotor, making the noise. So the left and the right hand side weren't wearing evenly, and the pads weren't wearing evenly either. Finally, I also checked the service manual to see what the limits were. And here you can see that standard has about 10 to 11 millimeters. And here we've measured 3 and 1.9 or 2 millimeters. So we're very close to the service limit. And so I think it was time to change them. And if the brake pads wear unevenly, you might hear this kind of random noise once in a while. It's not the typical screeching or constant noise you hear from other cars on the road, but it can be even this random noise. Anyway, I'm glad I got it fixed. Took it to the shop, didn't get the rotors back, but maybe next time I might do this job on my own as well. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.